Hello everyone and welcome. This is Safa. In this video, we are going to talk about sampling, discretization, and plotting signals in MATLAB. The main idea is that when we have a continuous time signal, we need to represent it in a discrete form in order to process it digitally. This is done by sampling the signal at a specific time interval. Here we'll start with a simple sine wave as our continuous signal. Then we'll sample it with different rates and finally we compare the result to see how the sampling frequency affects the accuracy of the signal representation. Okay, first we create a fine time axis with a step of 0.001 seconds so that the signal looks continuous. This gives us a 5 Hz sine wave. Next, we plot the continuous time signal. This is our original signal. Okay. Now let's sample it at 20 Hz. Here we can, after run this code, we can see the discrete points representing the signal. We repeat the same process with a lower sampling rate of 10 Hz. Okay, notice that fewer points are captured, so the signal representation is less accurate. And finally, we compare all three on one plot. Okay, run. Okay, continuous time signal, sample signal 20 Hz. Here 10 Hz and compression. This clearly shows that a higher sampling rate provides a more precise representation of the original signal. Okay, thanks for watching.